Are you interested in learning how to edit videos? You are interested to learn how to do videos for Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. In fact, any content like you're learning how to do videos, most especially to edit. If that be the case, why don't you DM me? DM me, bring this job, come. I will teach you. I will teach you how to do this job now. I will teach you how to become a content creator. When I forget anything, I will teach you how to make your skits funny. How to add your sound for comedy skits, how to make, in fact, how to edit anything that concerns editing, video editing. I will teach you. Yes, I will teach you, and it's online. That is the most good thing. That is the best thing right now. The best thing is this thing is online and it's much affordable. Some people go message me, they will tell me say next month. If people don't plenty for my hand, that next month, if it reach, let me tell you the truth. If that next month reach and people don't plenty for my hand, I go increase price. But now I'm starting with 10,000 naira. So with 10k, get it. You can start to learn how to edit your videos online. It's an online class for 3 days. I have said this before. For 3 days, you will learn how to edit for just 10,000. Editing, video editing. If you want to meet somebody that will teach you how to edit videos, they go they count big money for you, I swear. They go they call big money, but this one I will teach you. I will be telling you, okay, you want so thing, this thing. Then at the end, you can still ask questions for 3 days. But if you want to extend it, no wahala. If you want to make it like 1 week, 20k, learn how to edit video, 20k, 10k. It's a small thing. You understand? Some people at the time say, make I go work, make I go find work. This is part of the job I can be doing. You can bring this job to me. Let me teach you. Me, Daddy Short. I will teach you. You understand? Why some people now, they like, I will come and do it, but next week, next month, let me come. If that, no time. The best thing is for you now to run to my DM. Just run to my DM. Message me through that WhatsApp number. You will see my WhatsApp number there. Message me so you can learn how. I will bring this up, teach you how to start editing your videos professionally. Not just that. Let me still remind you, we have Facebook pages for sale, YouTube channels, for sale. We still have TikTok, like foreign TikToks that can be monetized. So just rush up to my DM right now. Whatever service you want, you just tell me. Mind you, remember, Facebook video editing just costs 3,000 naira. So no waste time. Bring this up to me. Support your boy. Support Daddy Short. Let me teach you. I will teach you professionally, okay? Also, if you need a page manager, you need someone that can manage you, that can be telling you, okay, this is your page. Now go check your page. If you have a page already, then you want to know if that page is going against Facebook policies. You understand? I'm there for you. I'm there here. Okay, guys. So don't forget. Do not forget. Bring job come.